Alright, I'm going to work. I'm in a hurry. I'm got 5 minutes to make it there. I better speed up. I'm not wearing my seatbelt because I'm in a hurry.
Okay, well, heading to work, but I'm not really late, you know, so I'm just gonna get there. But I like going fast. Slow's for grandmas. So let's go. Alright. What's that idiot doing? He's on my side of the road. Holy crap, we're gonna wreck. Bam!
Oh shoot, I gotta floor it. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta go over the other lane. This guy's going too slow. Oh shoot.
Yo, man, what the heck? Oh crap, I think I just killed that dude. It's a good thing I had my seatbelt on, you know?
This is what not wearing a seatbelt can do to you, so make sure you always buckle up.